How to make automatic night light using LDR on breadboard. First add 100K resistor 1 and 2, positive rail the other to breadboard. Then add photoresistor 1 and 2, negative rail and the other the line of 100K resistor. Add 2 into 2 to transistor. Add the LED light negative LED to the collector of transistor. Now add 1K resistor 1 end to the positive LED and the other end to positive rail. Add jumper wire and connect to negative rail and the other end to emitter of transistor. Then add another jumper wire to base of transistor and the other end to the line of 100K resistor and photoresistor. Add the 9 volts battery, place the black wire of battery to the negative and the red one to positive. Now if I cover my finger or my palm, the light will automatically turn on. Let's try to close the light. You will see that the light will automatically turn on when detected dark. And turn off automatically when detected light.
Thanks for watching. Click like.